Popping YouTube out here once again with my CAMO WRAPPED CHARGER, 07 charger, 5.7. It's RT. It's cam, long tubes, ported intake, ported throttle body, stuff like that. I got a couple goodies coming though. But yeah, hope y'all like the video.
It'll get cold in the summer and shit get hot in the winter. Shit get hot. Yeah. Shit get hot. It'll get cold in the summer and shit get hot in the winter. Your brothers cap, they pretenders. My brother's capping with blenders. He tried to swerve, clap his fender. Them niggas rats, master splinter. 30 deep the gang, I'm a member. Bitch, I'ma make you remember. It'll get cold in the summer and shit get hot in the winter. Your brothers cap, they pretenders. My brother's capping with blenders. He tried to swerve, clap his fender. Them niggas rats, master splinter. 30 deep the gang, I'm a member. Bitch, I'ma make you remember. JB from CN, that's my little cousin. Call him Mad Max. Pistol P was mad that he ain't flip him, so he smashed back. Hop out with that oil and let off 30, they ain't blast back. Every label want me, I'm just coolin', you can ask track. 455 to 42 block, you know I bang for that. They tried to box me and leave in the bank, you know I slam back. Yo, brother.
This the wrap. A closer view of it. Got some flaws in it, but I ain't perfect. I ain't wrapped the back end because this is how I wanted it. So don't come asking, why you ain't wrapped the back end? Because I didn't want to. Yeah, that's how I look though. The wrap cost me like around $380 to $400, and it was hard putting on. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna pump fake it because I never wrapped the whole car before. First time. My first wrap was a famous Dorito wrap. Yeah, y'all seen that. Well, some of y'all seen that. But like I said, I ain't a pro. First wrap, CAMO wrap. Tired as hell. I just pushed the truck for like a good 10 minutes. From back there, inside that door. Oh my God. But yeah, this is my wrap. Cost me like $380, $400. Took me like a week and a half. My hood from this guy. I don't know his name, but I bought it for like $160. I be getting deals on a budget. Shit, deals on the budget. Ah, figure got stuck. Damn. I'll pop my hood real fast. Yeah, it's my engine bay. Catch can. It's a little filthy, but peep this. Airflow. No, not for airflow. But I had cut that out just so I can keep my engine cool. He's so kill your horsepower, and I ain't that fucking fast. I ain't fast enough, put it like that in my eyes. Fuck, I'm slow. Shit. Cam 07 long tubes. Okay, y'all. I had to buy a 6.1 intake manifold for $200. Here it is right here. I just painted it using some of this. Y'all know I'm cheap. Ceramic coat. Hell no, I ain't gonna go. But nah, this what I use. Just painted it. I got fuel rails, injectors. Injectors are for sale though. No, I'm putting this bad boy on tomorrow. It should help out for the cam, cause I ain't doing heads right now. So, hey, in the future, I may boost it though. Yeah, I'm back. We put install the 6.1 intake manifold. Disconnect the throttle body. Disconnect any, PCV, fuel rails. Basically, the wires, fuel rails. The ports on the intake of the pre-Eagles, Hemis, are smaller than the 6.1. So you gotta like port match it. Intake to the 6.1 manifold. The red is basically what I'm taking out on each cylinder. Gotta do it for all 8 cylinders. And this is where the power will come from. Not hellas, but it's worth it, I guess. YouTube, and my fucking, a little rough. Anyway, I just installed a 6.1 intake manifold. So far, it's cool. So far, I swapped over the map sensor, the fuel rail. By the way, the 6.1 injectors are for sale. I don't need it right now. I doubt I need them in the future. Okay. Hop on the highway. highway real fast. Let's do a quick short pull. I felt like it was pulling a little harder. Definitely pulls a little bit harder. That's how I feel. Maybe I'm tripping. You know how that be. Yes, I do have an exhaust leak, by the way. This was a 6.1 manifold on. Trying to see if I got any issues or running too rich or whatever. Or even too lean. Need to get gas. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope y'all liked it. Video kind of short. Quick little review.
But bro, we can't be about no small shit. Overseas got the crowd doing mosh pit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman when they got me in office. $1 million deals, I get them often. $1 million was serving on Spawn Street. Hot legit, he gon' stay with the chopstick. I got robbed, that shit made me a monster. He bitch should notice my sister, my mamas. Now they houses as big as they want them. I didn't run up no motherfucking commas. Look at Lil Dummy. Living like we in a race. I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I been in my bag.